Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get iPhone emoji on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on Open. Now just select Agree and tap on Grant. Now just select Allow and tap on OK. Now after that, in the emoji section, just tap on See All and in the search bar just search iOS. Now just tap on Unofficial iOS 18 and download this emoji pack. Tap on Apply and select One UI All. Tap on OK and tap on Build. Now to get iPhone emojis, just follow these steps. Now for the first step, just install Samsung Sans on your smartphone. Now just tap on it and tap on Install that file manager. Now just select Play Store and tap on Install. Then tap on Open and select Grant. Now just enable this toggle. Now just go back to the Z Font app. Now just tap on Install Samsung Sans and tap on Settings. From here, just enable this toggle and tap on Update. Now just select Done. After that, just go back. Now for the second step, just change the font style to Samsung Sans. Now from here, just select Samsung Sans. Now for the third step, just make sure that you have signed into your Samsung account. Now as you can see, I have already signed into my Samsung account. Now if you have not signed into your Samsung account, just make sure that you sign into your Samsung account. Now for the fourth step, just back up the data of your settings only. Now just tap on Go to Backup. From here, just make sure you select only the Settings app. Now just tap on Backup Now. Then tap on Done. Now for the fifth step, just uninstall Samsung Sans. Now just tap on OK. Now to change your emojis to iPhone emojis, just follow the last three steps. First of all, just install Unofficial iOS 18 and tap on Install. Tap on Done. For the second step, just change your font style to default. From here, just select Default. Now for the third step, just restore the data of your settings only. Now just go to Restore and select your smartphone. Now from here, just select Setting Only and tap on Restore. Then tap on Done. Now just select Later. Now just go back. Now if you go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now as you can see, this is how you can get iPhone emojis on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.